Hello and welcome to the news on Procyon Radio and Television. My name is Nifemi Onibio. First, a quick look at the headlines. Tinubu approves licenses for North Kumani oil project. Former US President Joe Biden diagnosed with prostate cancer. Nigeria beat host Egypt in Under-20 AFCON Match. And now full details of the news. President Bola Tinubu has approved the issuance of critical regulatory licenses for the Kumani Integrated Development Project. The project is a multi-billion-dollar oil exploration initiative located between Bauchi and Gombe states. A statement issued by the Minister of State for Petroleum Resources, Senator Enkin Lakpobiri's special advisor on media and communication, Nnemeka Okafor, on Sunday said the development was revealed during the flag-off ceremony for the construction of the permanent site of the Bauchi Oil and Gas Academy in Alkalari local government area. The Kumani Integrated Development Project, first inaugurated in November 2022, marked the start of oil exploration in northern Nigeria. It is situated in the Kumani River 2 oil field, a border community between Bauchi and Gombe states. The Nigerians in Diaspora Commission has received 13 trafficked Nigerians, including 12 girls and a 5-year-old boy rescued from Ghana and Mali. In a press statement signed by the Director of Media Public Relations and Protocol Unit, Abdulrahman Balogun, NiDCOM revealed that 11 of the victims were rescued from Ghana, while 2 women, aged 27 and 35, were brought back from Mali. According to the Commission, the rescued girls from Ghana, aged between 16 and 30, are from Cross River, Benue, Imo, and Oyo states. The 2 women from Mali hail from Adamawa State. Speaking on behalf of Dabiri Eriwa, head of NiDCOM's Lagos License Office, Mr. Dapo Odebowale said the victims were deceived with promises of job opportunities but were later forced into prostitution in Ghana. Similarly, the 2 women rescued from Mali narrated their ordeal to NiDCOM's head of media and public relations, Abdulrahman Balogun, stating they suffered sexual abuse, physical assault, and emotional trauma. Kaduna State Deputy Governor Dr. Adiza Sambuwa Balarabe and other All Progressive Congress stakeholders in Sanga local government area of Kaduna State have called on President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and Governor Sani to seek second terms in 2027. The Sanga APC stakeholders declared support for President Tinubu and Governor Sani's re-election bids for second term in 2027 in Guatu headquarters of Sanga local government after its censor meeting. Speaking during the APC meeting, Kaduna State Deputy Governor Dr. Balarabe praised the positive transformation of Sanga and other rural communities under Governor Sani. And on the international scene, former US President Joe Biden has been diagnosed with an aggressive form of prostate cancer that has spread to his bones and is reviewing treatment options. This is according to a statement from his office. On Friday, the 82-year-old Democrat was diagnosed with cancer after he experienced increasing urinary symptoms and was seen for a new finding of a prostate nodule. While this represents a more aggressive form of the disease, the cancer appears to be hormone sensitive, which allows for effective management. The president and his family are reviewing treatment options with his physicians. And now we dive into the world of sports. Nigeria has secured a bronze medal at the 2025 Under-20 Africa Cup of Nations, overcoming the host nation, Egypt, 4-1 on penalties following a 1-1 draw in regulation time at the 30th June Stadium in Cairo on Sunday. It was a match filled with intensity as both sides sought redemption after falling short of the final. Nigeria, now with 5 third-place finishes in Under-20 AFCON history, showed composure in a tense shootout to end their 14th podium finish in the competition. With the bronze medal won, the Flying Eagles now turn their attention to the 2025 FIFA Under-20 World Cup in Chile. Up next is the entertainment news. The Kano State Censorship Board has suspended 22 Hausa film series for violating censorship regulations. The suspension was contained in a statement issued on Monday, May 19, 2025, where the board said the affected films were released without undergoing the mandatory censorship process. Executive Secretary of the board, Abba El Mustafa, approved the suspension following a management meeting and consultations with relevant stakeholders. According to the Information Officer of the board, Abdullahi Suleiman, the suspended titles failed to comply with the requirements mandating all films to be submitted for approval before being produced, marketed, streamed, or broadcast. And with that, we have come to the end of the news today on Procyon RTV. My name is Nifemi Onibio. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Procyon RTV. Also, you can follow us on all social media platforms and our unified handle at Procyon RTV. Visit our website at www.procyonnews.com to get the latest news updates. On behalf of the production crew, thank you for staying with us, and don't forget to keep shining like the star you are.